Everything is changing in the world and we need to embrace new emerging technologies. Cubic Labs hosts Boston Blockchain Week every year because it's needed. Reliance on traditional industries, which were relevant in the past, is not a strategy, and doing things differently is a necessity. Specifically, in the digital infrastructure space, there needs to be an underlying platform or ecosystem to support the various activities like venture capital, startup activity, service provisions, and really support the cross-pollination of ideas, tech, and technology. For this reason, we host Boston Blockchain Week to bring all these ingredients together. It's a great event for startups, investors, anyone interested in learning about digital infrastructure, or anyone that provides services to that space. We are hosting the event on September 8th to September 10th, and tickets are live on our website.